Okay, unboxing and reviewing this Robustrue half-inch electric impact wrench. Going to be working on Elantra suspension, and decided I might as well just get an impact wrench to make things go a lot quicker. All right, so it comes in this nice little case here with their logo, Robustrue, and let's open it up. Here are the latches. Everything I do in life is low budget, so went with this instead of a name brand instruction manual. And here's the little impact. Half-inch. Now, according to them, this is a 406 foot-pound impact wrench. 550 Newton meters for you guys across the pond. It comes with some sockets. I believe there's 17 to 21 or 24. And it also comes with some drill bits, some Phillips head bits, some torque bits, and the adapter to use. So knurled end gets pushed in, and you slap on the whatever bit you want to use, and it's locked in. Comes with a battery charger and 2 batteries. Here they are, 2 of those. Let's see if they have any charge to them. So I don't know if you can see here, it tells you how charged they are. So all the way, it's fully charged basically. And it has auto stop, that's why it stops when I pull the trigger. And it has a little flashlight, reversible. And then here, oh, press that little power button and it shows you how charged they are. So both of them are at 3. Cool, neat, awesome. Got it off Amazon for $84.99, but there was a $20 coupon, so I got it for $64.99. 4 amp hour batteries and a 1 hour quick charge. And it is pretty lightweight. It says it comes in at 3.74 pounds. LED light stays on for about 20 seconds. Now for the strut, counter hold the bolt, take out the nut. Using the Robustrue impact wrench again to remove the lug nuts. And I haven't broken them loose or anything, so I usually break them loose when the car's on the ground and then wrench them out afterwards. But using the impact, it's easy to do it up on the air. And I'll show you the auto stop feature. Once they're completely loose, it stops. Okay, so initial review, pretty handy. This is actually the first time I've ever owned an impact wrench of any kind, and I was not disappointed. I was able to knock out the lug nuts with ease. Some of the hardware holding the struts, actually, I think they were like over 100 foot-pounds of torque, and this knocked them loose pretty quick. I do like the auto stop feature when you're reversing a bolt out, where it stops, and you can easily turn that off by hitting the red button, and then it's continuous. For forward motion, you have 3 modes: high, medium, and low. only complaint that I have with this impact wrench is that the forward and reverse buttons are too close to the trigger. You know, when I was working on the car, I would accidentally hit the trigger and send the bolt forward or backwards. Not too big of a deal, but an inconvenience nonetheless. But other than that, it works pretty fine. Really didn't test out the little flashlight that comes with it because it's daytime. But overall, all happy with this Robustrue impact wrench. 406 foot-pounds of torque, 2 batteries. I'm still on the first battery, but I really didn't use it much anyways. 3 speed modes, like I said. Low speed, 0 to 1990 RPM, medium 0 to 2200 RPM, and then high speed all the way up to 2800 RPM. I do like that it comes with 4 sizes, 17, 19, 21, and 24. Did not use the 24 at all, but for this job, the 17, 19, and 21 came in very handy. I like that in the future, if need be, use it as a power drill, and you know, it has the Phillips, Torx, and a good deal. I like it. Highly recommend if you're on a budget and looking for an impact wrench. So hope you guys like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.